Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm still really sick. Um, but yes. Today I'm gonna film a no makeup look. I do this a lot. Cause I don't know, I just been like obviously I as you can see, I have like a lot of dark spots from like pimples, um, and like some discoloration around my mouth. That like just happened, which is super annoying. Um, I think that's a pimple. Oh no, no, it's not. It's gel. Okay. But yeah, I just been like embracing my skin lately, and I just been doing this look a lot more often than um more like done up looks because they're super quick and just easy to do. So I wanted to show you guys. So the first thing I'm gonna do, yes, I know this is hair gel. Oh, I have no mirror. I always do this. Oh wait, no, I do have one. Little tiny mirror. I'm gonna take a spoolie and I'm gonna run the brow gel through my brows. And hack, guys, this is literally what I use like all the time. Like I know you can buy like obviously you can buy brow gel and stuff like that, but I use hair gel on my hair like all the time, and I'm like, you literally kill two birds with one stone by just like using what you have. And guys, this works so well. So yeah, I usually just like brush my brows hair up, and I'm gonna just let that dry, and then I'm gonna do my brows. One thing that I always do is brows. Like I don't, like as you can see, like I don't really need to do my brows. Trust me, these brows are a long time coming. Like guys, like I remember when I was like younger, I literally shaved off like the front half of my brow. Like I had no brows at one point because like I was still learning how to like do them myself and stuff like that, because I never would like go get a wax or like thread it or anything like that. I would just do them myself, and gosh, I would like shave my eyebrows off. It was an issue. It was a problem. So it's a long time coming, but I always do my brows, like always. Like that's something I cannot leave the house with. Like obviously I'm being overly dramatic, but you know what I mean. Like that's one thing that I'm just like, I like have to have brows done because I just feel like they frame the face. Jesus. Okay, so now I'm gonna take Wet and Wild concealer, and obviously I don't have like my eyes are just dark. This one is what shade is this? I want to say that this is definitely the darkest shade because they don't have like a lot. They don't have a wide shade range in the concealers, which they should definitely change because this is not even like dark at all. But I just put that under my eye, and I'm gonna get my Laura Mercier. I can't talk today. My Laura Mercier, my powder, and I'm just gonna get that ready to set the under eyes. And I just do this. This shade is obviously brightening. Like you can definitely tell it's a little brighter. It is brighter than um my skin tone. So what I'm gonna do to combat that, I'm gonna just take, obviously if you have a concealer that is your skin tone, just use that. I just don't have one that's exactly my skin tone. I'm gonna take a little bit of the NARS concealer in a Amande, I believe, and mix that in because this one is just orange. It's a little more, it has like orangier red tones, orangier undertones. I can't talk today. And it's just gonna combat that color. Sorry if you guys see like me looking over here. It's because like I have my computer. My room is like by the backyard, and my like camera is literally like in front of the window, and I can see like squirrels and stuff like that. So I like get distracted. But yeah, just gonna blend that out and then set it with powder, just so it does not go anywhere and it doesn't crease as well. I'm also going to take the powder and just kind of like put it on my face because this is just going to like smooth out the skin. And see, like the concealer is almost like undetectable, which is really good. This is my e.l.f. Bronzed Violet. Like, it's just like a little palette. And I use this to contour sometimes. It's like a cream contour, and this is a cream blush. And I know it looks like crazy in the pan, but it's a cream blush. It looks like this. Sorry, don't mind my nails. I'm shambles today. I'm sorry. And I'm just gonna press that on the cheeks. Just like so. And it's just gonna add some color to the cheeks. I know it looks a little bright. It's like I'm slapping my face. It looks a little bright there, but we're just gonna take our beauty blender and just pounce it in. I'm actually gonna just do that. And again, this is just gonna add some flush to the cheeks. Just add some color to the skin. And you can put as much or as little as you want. I think that's good. I don't want too much. So as you can see, it's just like, again, almost not like you can't even tell like I have anything on, which is the point. It just looks like I have just like a little bit of color to my face. So I'm gonna quickly do my brows. This is the Maybelline eyebrow pencil in, I think, dark brunette. Yes. This is the newer one. This one, because this is the one I usually use. It's like completely ran out, but like the tip is like just like this. And this one is kind of like the Anastasia Beverly Hills one. It's like thicker and it looks like this. I really don't like this one. Like, I really rather the other one just because I feel like, I mean, I just got this, so I feel like I need to get used to it. But I feel like everybody raves about like the Anastasia pencil and like raves about this one in particular because of like the shape and, you know, whatever. And I don't like this one. Like, I don't like the shape of this one. I feel like I can't get as much as a precise line as I could with the other one. I don't know. It might just be me, but I don't know. I just don't like this one as much. But yeah, I don't want to do anything too crazy. Just like that. And again, I'm going to go into the gel one more time and I'm just going to set it. And the reason why I like doing this is just because like it kind of like melts the pencil and like makes it look, I don't know what it does, but like I just feel like it makes it look a little bit darker. And it really, like the second time I put on the gel, really sticks down the hairs. Like, you know that gel is not going anywhere. And obviously you just use any gel you have. I just want to show you that you can just be, you can use anything you have. Because I know like, you know, a lot of people can't afford to like buy like the Anastasia like gel that they have. And I know it's like a great gel, but I don't know, what is it, like $20 maybe, give or take. Like $20 for a gel, girl? Okay, so the next thing we're gonna do, if I can find it, here it is, I think. We're gonna take the NYX Wonder Pencil, and I'm just gonna line my waterline. Very lightly though, not too much, just like that. And I'm also going to put it on the inner corner. Like that. And this just really opens the eye up, which I love. Sorry guys for the sniffling and stuff like that. I'm sorry if that like annoys anybody. I'm just like still sick. So now I'm gonna use the L'Oreal Lash Accelerator. I just bought a new one. If you guys like have been watching my videos, I use this all the time. Sorry, it's like so loud. I like just bought a new one because I have my old one, but I'm like it's drying up. Like I can feel that it's like drying up. So now I'm just gonna put on mascara because I feel like this just opens the eyes too. Okay, so now that the mascara's done, I just did like one coat of mascara and I put a little bit on the bottom. Now for lips, I'm literally just gonna take any lip gloss that you have. This is Bobbi Brown and Rose Sugar. And I'm literally just gonna like just lightly, well that wasn't light at all, was it? There's like nothing on the brush though. And I'm just gonna pat it, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take that e.l.f. blush too, just to like balance everything out. Look at that. And it just gives it like, it just gives you a like rosy tone to your lips. So now we're just gonna do a little bit of highlight, and I mean like the littlest bit. So we're gonna take the Makeup Revolution liquid highlighter in Liquid Bronze Gold on a beauty blender, and you're just gonna take the littlest bit. And yeah, so just like that, and it just looks like glow. I think if you have a better highlighter, definitely use it. I have a love-hate relationship because I feel like this dries like immediate, like once you put it on the skin, it's hard to kind of blend out. So that's the only thing I kind of would change. I would find like a better highlighter, but other than that, this is the finished look. Again, you can take things out, you can add stuff, but this is usually what I do for the most part. Usually like if I'm really in a rush or whatever, I literally would just do concealer. I would just use concealer, set it, mascara, brows, and sometimes I'll just use like a tinted brow like gel or whatever. And just like a little bit of gloss and be out the door. But this is like the most I'll ever do for a makeup, like a no makeup look. Because obviously you could still see like all my imperfections and stuff like that. So it's definitely like extremely natural because no foundation, just like a little bit of powder. And sometimes I don't even use powder. I'm just like, this is what you're getting. Like, you know what I mean? So yeah, I hope this was helpful, and I hope you guys can just learn and take some tips from this video and like incorporate it into whatever you feel comfortable with. Like if you want to do foundation and maybe do like a tinted moisturizer, definitely do that. If you want to skip brows or if you don't want to do mascara, definitely do that. This is just like you can put all these things together and still have a very like natural look. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I really enjoyed making it, and if you guys want to see more like natural makeup looks, let me know. But yeah, that is the end of the video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.